This video is a guide for disassembling the US-FIP bearing frame. Please refer to the manual for parts reference and additional details. Use a flathead screwdriver to access the first lip seal. Strike the side of the lip seal with a mallet and pry it up out of the bearing frame. Use a flathead screwdriver to punch a hole in the center of the second lip seal. It should be located between two slots as well. Take care not to mar the shaft or the ID of the bearing frame. Insert the tip of a flathead screwdriver through one of the slots and into the punched hole. Strike the screwdriver with a mallet to further embed the screwdriver and pry the second lip seal from the bearing frame. Use one flathead screwdriver to pull the snap ring away from the bearing frame and a second flathead screwdriver to pry the snap ring up and out of the bearing frame. Use a hydraulic press to remove the shaft and bearings from the bearing frame. Use a hydraulic press to remove the top and bottom bearing. Use a screwdriver or similar tool to tap out the bottom lip seal. Thoroughly clean the bearing frame and shaft. Please refer to the bearing frame assembly video for next steps. Thank you for using US-FIP pumps.